Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. I am so happy with my ATUMTEK tripod selfie stick, large tripod selfie stick, that I checked out what else they have to sell. I got two of these and I do prefer the one that is called, I think, 150 centimeters instead of 160. This one feels more stable, so this is the one that I use the most. And I saw that they have ring lights as well, ring light tripods. And I've been thinking from time to time to get better lighting here in my unboxing studio. Let me show how I have it. So this is my camera setup. Big tripod that I chose because it can get very tall and that is lightweight. I like that one. It just takes a lot of place. And a standard light that used to be my bedroom light. I have these curtains to protect the shoes, and sometimes I remove them and let the daylight, the sunlight get in instead, but I don't like how that looks. So this is what I do. And so I don't have any complaints about lighting. Most important for me is the sound that I'm still not happy with. But since I am buying, I think the large tripod must be my fourth or fifth one. The smaller tripods I've had 4 of, so I buy a lot of things. And when they have one that looks very packable, and where you can power the ring light with a power bank, here, I like it. So they have 2 sizes, 10-inch and 12-inch, or was it 14-inch? I think this was 12-inch. And I don't think that, 12-inch. I don't think a ring light is right for me, but it won't hurt. Ring light, from what I've seen on YouTube, is mostly for close-ups. Close-ups, both pictures and videos. And since I do product unboxing and I use the nightstand bed light to focus on a table, I don't need light on my face, but it won't hurt, I guess, to have better light. Better light, better sound is always better. This is really neat. So yeah, this is absolutely packable to have with me when I do interviews. Really nice. And it gets, let me see here. So far everything feels very stable. All right, so that's way more than 160. I'm 186 or something, which I think is 6.2 feet. And then we have the ring light. So the ring light itself, when I've looked for ring lights, I want one as big as possible, since I'm not going to focus on my face, I'm going to focus on the product. But this was the biggest one that they had right now. And with the ring light, you have 3 adjustments, 3 colors. So warm, natural, and colds. which you adjust easily with the remote on the cable. And then it's just powered either via a power stick or a power bank or computer, whatever. Let's try it out. I'm actually going to do another unboxing video, a pair of shoes, and we will see if it's any good. I'm not even going to lace them up. I'm mainly doing this video to try out my new ring light. So if you see any difference, let me know. I don't think so. My small lights actually do more good than I thought. The cable is long enough to have plugged in a real outlet, but just for fun, I'm using a power bank. And it works just fine. I don't know if you even can see this on camera, but on the remote we have plus and minus, which is the strength of the light. That's bright. And then in the middle we have the color button. Cold, neutral, and warm. Hey, I like this. The only thing that I don't like so far is that this head is not as easy adjustable and maybe not as stable as a real thing. Here I can turn and adjust and tighten everything, but I still think it will be good enough. Since it's the same mount, I can do a mix between them. So I can use the ring light on top on here instead, if I would like that. But I really like that it's so, it takes much less space than the real deal. So I just did a sneaker unboxing, and I have the light on, I think, slightly under medium. Yeah, so this is the lowest. 1, 2, 3. I think I had it there. And I even think that is too much. So lowest, 1 plus, 2 plus. That's the spot. I had it there. There, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9 steps. And this is way too bright for me. And my standard one, my old one, that I always have focused on the product, I won't replace it. I will use that as well. Because let me show you what it looks like when I turn that one off. So, just to be clear, ring light is focusing on the face. It even says on the box for makeup and close FaceTime calls or whatever. And I'm going to, no, let me show you the different colors. So this is the natural one. Yeah, you see, as when I move, it's not as stable. It swings a bit. Warm, cold, more or less looks blue, and the natural one. I'm going to go with the natural one. My old light is warm. Yeah. So this is what it looks like. I'm really happy that it's so compact and that I can use it with a power bank. That is nice. So it's very nice to have with me, because I bought my large tripod used to have it easy to carry with me, carbon fiber, yada yada yada. But I've had it with me once, and I don't think I'm gonna have this one with me either. But it's just nice to have it compact and easy to have with me just in case. And that I can use this with the power bank, the remote, long cable. Yeah, this is what it looks like without it. So this is what I usually look like when I do my unboxing videos, with the light focused on the shoes and no light on me except from the ceiling. And now with the ring light. I'm happy with it. And it was cheap. I think it cost on Amazon like 50 euro or something. So yeah, I recommend it, absolutely recommend it. It does a better difference, a bigger difference than I thought. I thought that a ring light was only good if we were really close, like 50 centimeters from the camera, and just focus on the face, but come on, it lights up everything. So yeah, it's powerful. And this is what it looks like without it. Now I absolutely don't want to be without it, because now it looks really boring without the ring light. But I'm going with 1, 2, 3. Yeah. If you have any questions, let me know. What do you think about the lighting? Just comment anything, because that helps with the algorithm, yada, yada, yada. And do you think I should change something else? I'm sort of happy with the sound. I'm thinking about a new mic set, because there is a new mic set. I got a bunch of tripods, and now I have better lighting as well. And I don't think I need even better lighting. I absolutely don't think so. But let me know what you think.